Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ismail Sari. So today I want to present to you about my project PBL that called One Central Control System. So some introduction. Sometimes we always forgot to do something that very important to our life, especially to our home. So to prevent this happen, one project that called One Central Controller are created. The OCC is a system that gives an electronic control for door, lamp and bell. In OCC system, the door will lock using a motor and we require a password to open it. This will make our home more secure than a manual door. Besides that, the OCC system also have an automatic lamp turn on when the light environment decrease. This will make sure our home always in light up when the environment become dark. To easy the people calling us from the outside, the bell was provided in front of main gate. This will alert us when the bell is ring so that we know we have a visitor outside. In order to success creating this project, the Arduino Uno was used. This programmable device is very cheap and easy to use. The advantage of creating this project using the Arduino is because it is an open source. Many things and source to coding or to create are available in the internet. So we need a little bit knowledge only to build one system that can bring benefit to our home for security and make our home system to the next level. So this is a main input and output. Sorry for the typo. So this is our main input in this project, main input and output. So for the input, we use keypad, push button and LDR. For the output, we use LCD, buzzer, LED as a bulb. And other component that we use is resistor 10K, 10 kilo ohm and a green LED is as an indicator. So this is my system operation for my project. So for the 5-volt supply, from the 5-volt supply it's connected to Arduino, and then from this Arduino it will control the push button and the accessor. Firstly, the Arduino will control the LDR sensor. Then this LDR sensor will give the signal to the bulb to turn on or off. And then it also control the keypad. So this keypad as an input and get the signal from the Arduino, and then supply the signal to the output, which is LCD and the motor. So for the push button, when a user push the button and get the signal, the Arduino will transfer the signal to the buzzer to turn on or turn off. So this is our flowchart for the project. So when it start, we check the environment light first. Whether our environment is dark or enough light, so that it can turn on the bulb on or off. If the light is half yes, it will turn off the bulb and then it will go to the password. If the light is no, or which is or dark, it will turn on the light and then it will go to the get password. So in this section, get password, it also has an option. If the password is wrong, no, the motor will off and it will go again. It will repeat again until the user put the correct password. So if the password is correct, the motor will run. So this is for the push button. Push button we create a separate using one Arduino. using one place coding, but separate operation. So the push button will direct, firstly will direct to the supply. Okay. When push button is on, it have two options. If no, buzzer off. If yes, buzzer will on. Okay. And then we will go to the end. So I would like to demonstrate the simulation. Firstly, this is what we call Arduino IDE, which is a compiler, one compiler for Arduino to program the code and burn the coding into the Arduino board. So firstly, after we finish all the code, we verify first. Okay, after we done verify, it have no error, so then we can upload the code into the board. So this is a Proteus, the platform that will simulate all the project. So after we verify the program, and then we choose the correct coding, and then we run. Okay, this is a initial condition where after we press the run button, and then this LED will come up with the title and the message that tell the door is locked. So this password I set 123 until 6, the correct password. Okay, firstly, this project will detect the light environment first, whether enough light to turn on the bulb or to turn off the bulb. So this is a real situation that we demonstrate in this simulation. So this situation is where the light is on, and the light is half because this light is near to the LDR. When the light is far from the LDR, it assumes that the condition is dark. So the bulb or LED will turn on. And then after that, we want to open the door, and then we enter the correct password, which is 12345 and then the LED green will turn on, and then the motor will run in clockwise for 500 milliseconds, and then it will stop. As you can see here, it already decreased the speed to stop. So if we want to lock back, we just press the star here. So if we press the star, the LCD will tell us to enter the password again, and then this motor will automatically turn anti-clockwise for 500 milliseconds. So if you want to uh, simulate the bell, we just push on this push button, and then the bell will get the signal and will buzzer. And then if we off the push button, the bell also off. So in conclusions, for the general conclusion, to make this project using an Arduino is very simple, quite simple. To coding the Arduino, the C and C++ language is needed. Using this coding, it is not too complicated compared to other type of coding. So in order to finish this project, some important component or device need to know, like Arduino Uno board, keypad, and LDR. For Arduino Uno board, the user need to know how to upload the coding file into the board so that the project can run it as expected. Besides that, the knowledge in using Proteus is also very important as a simulation platform. This PBL requires all students to use 100% simulation platform. So the knowledge in using it is needed. The user must know how to build and connect all the components and circuit and then run it to get the result. Lastly, to complete this project, students need to combine all the knowledge they already learned in the embedded system so that all the knowledge can be used in this project. That's all from me. Thank you.